Hey guys, 8 here. Welcome to yet another GameMaker tutorial. And today we're going to be reviewing the health bar, the score bar, and the lives bar. So this is going to be a follow-up of my last tutorial, so I left the coding as it is. So the first thing you want gonna do, wait, what? The first thing you're gonna want to do, my bad, is create another sprite and call it sprite like um life or something, I don't know. Um, but this is gonna be your lives, uh, the image of one of your lives. So this you don't have to make 16 by 16. You can make it whatever size, and I'm just gonna do a quick run over. Actually, I'll do it off camera. Alright, the health image is done. I didn't make much at all. Okay, and now you're gonna want to create another object. Call it object stats or something related, and make it have no sprite. Alright, so I went ahead and did it off camera, as I always do. So game start, set score to 0, set lives to 5, and set health to 100. No more lives, show high score table, and end game. No more health. Alright, no more health. Set health to 100, set lives to relative -1, and restart the current room. Make sure these are in this particular order. And draw. So draw the value of score at 0, 0, and caption, you can really make it whatever you want. Draw the number of the lives, which is at 0 and Y16. Draw the health bar. So this might be a little confusing, x1, x2, and all that. So I'm going to show you guys in Paint. So if you take a rectangle, and x1 and x2 is located right here in this corner. That's what determines x1 and x2. Or no, x1 and y1, sorry. And this is x2 and y2 right here. So that's where you draw the health bar, and you can set the background if you want it or not. And then draw the lives as an image, which you made before at 0 and 50. That's really customizable. It's kind of hard to find perfect coordinates. So let's just run the game quickly. So you'll see that I have a score bar, a lives bar, a health bar, and the life images. And you'll notice that my guy goes behind it. If you want him to go above it, it's quite easy, and I'll show you that in a minute. To do that, you just have to make his depth -10, or make the health bar's depth 10. Now, as I have done for him, you can see it's all, I can get rid of that now. It's all execute codes. For this, I want to do the same thing. So in execute code, score equals 0. Lives equals, I'm going to set this to 4 actually. Oops. And health, whoops, equals 100. That's all you need to do. Pretty easy. No more lives. I'll do this off camera. Okay, in the execute code, you're going to put high score underscore show score and game end. Okay. And finally, in no more health, you're going to put health equals 100 and lives equal that's lines. Lives equals lives -1. So that's pretty much saying lives relative -1. So lives equals the current value of life -1. And finally, room restart. And if you want to add an effect to this, I think you can put a 1 there. I'm gonna be back in a minute. Okay, sorry about that. The code is transition kind, and there's a list of effects on like the GameMaker wiki. 21 is fade out and in. Oh, whoops. Equals. There we go. Transition kind equals. Now we can get rid of that. And in the draw event, I'm gonna. Okay, coding is done, and I'll just simplify this a bit. So right here, this first part right here, that is the score. So we're drawing two things. We're drawing the first text at 0, 0, and it's gonna say score. Then we're gonna draw another text at 48, so it's like beside the first text, and this one's gonna be like the argument score, the actual score. This is just like it's actually gonna say that. You'll see in a minute. And then we have pretty much the exact same, but we're adding a y16 so that it's under the score. And once again 48, so it's like beside it. Draw health bar, x10, y132, x258, y248. It's gonna be, the amount will be the health. The background is C black, the lowest color is C red, and the highest color is C green. Direction, one direction. Direction 1 is from right to left. And then show back, 1 is yes, 0 is no. You can also use true and false. And show border, same thing. And then we got some pretty complicated code. So, I set a quick variable here. For I equals 0, I is smaller than lives. I plus 1 equals 1. Or I plus equals 1. So, how do I explain it? So I equals 0 to start with. And if I is smaller than lives, which is 4 currently, then I plus equals 1. So it's gonna, oh man. So basically the I plus equals 1 means that it's gonna add 1 until it's not smaller than lives. So it will keep adding until it's the same amount as lives, and the 4 is attached to this. So draw sprite, sprite life, sub image -1, and x plus, and then here's the I times sprite get width, sprite life. And this +0 thing is how much you want to space them apart. So I'll just show you I'll show you 1, and then y is 50. So now let's run the game and see how it is. Alright, so there you see the lives, they're just barely spaced apart. You can see the health bar, the score is set at 0, and the lives set at 4. Whew, lots of coding this episode, like more advanced. And then here's the life bar. So if I lose a life, it's gonna fade out and fade back in. And there we go. Can't parkour today. I have 1 life left. Lives 2, and lives 1. Life 0, it's gonna show the high score. And since we didn't get any points, we don't get a place on it. And then when we press escape,